Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will explore important vocabulary related to family relationships and partnerships. We will learn about the terms husband, wife, spouse, and partner. Understanding these words will help you describe your family and relationships in English. Let's start with the most common terms. A husband is a married man. He is the male member of a married couple. A wife is a married woman. She is the female member of a married couple. These are the most basic and widely used terms in everyday conversation. Now let's learn two more important terms. A spouse is a husband or wife. This word is gender neutral, meaning it can refer to either a man or a woman in a marriage. It is a formal term often used in official documents. A partner is a person with whom you share a life or relationship. This can be a married or unmarried person. Partner is a more modern and inclusive term. It is important to know when to use each word. Use the word spouse in formal situations, such as legal documents or official paperwork. For example, you might say, "My spouse and I file taxes together." Use the word partner in modern, everyday situations and for any committed relationship. For example, "This is my partner, Alex." Let's compare these terms more closely. Husband and wife are specific gender terms. We use these words in everyday conversation with family and friends. Spouse is a gender-neutral term. We use it in formal, legal, or professional contexts. Partner is the most inclusive term. It covers all types of committed relationships, whether they are married or not. Here are some real examples of how to use these words. In a marriage context, you might say, "I introduced my husband to my parents yesterday." In a legal context, you might say, "Please list your spouse on this insurance form." For any type of relationship, you can say, "I am going on vacation with my partner next month." Let's learn some common phrases using these words. To meet someone's family, you can say, "I finally met my friend's husband." To introduce a spouse, you can say, "This is my wife, Sarah." In professional contexts, you might say, "My spouse will be attending the company dinner." In modern usage, you can say, "My partner and I just bought a house together." Now let's review what we have learned. Husband and wife are specific gender terms used in everyday, informal conversation. Spouse is a formal, gender-neutral term used in legal and professional documents. Partner is the most inclusive term for any committed relationship, whether married or unmarried. Remember to choose the right term based on the context and how formal the situation is. Thank you for watching English Learning from Scratch.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.